The next option that we have when it comes to customizing our video is probably the most important and the most used one across all YouTubers, and that is the annotations. If you've ever been watching a video and you've seen a link on the page like I got up here right now, you see that? That's an annotation. And basically what this is you can put something anywhere on the video. It can be the entire video. It can be the small little piece in the corner. Basically, you're putting a button and they can click that button and you can take them anywhere you want them to go. You can take them to another video of yours. You can take them to your channel. It can be a subscribe button so they subscribe to you. You can even take them away from YouTube and take them to your website or your blog. It's a very, very powerful tool, and I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. So here we are on the annotations setting screen, and you want to pull your video here to where you want the annotation to begin. All right, so I'm going to click on Add Annotation, and you have a few options here. You have a speech bubble, a note, you can put text, just a title, a spotlight, or a label. Now they all look a little different, but I always use the note. It's just a plain box that you can type inside of. That's what I'm using up here, and it's the best one to use. So let's say I want to take them to my website. So I might say something like that, and I can resize this all I want, the box. And just remember, the whole box is going to be clickable, okay? So let's say I want it over here, and I want it to go over my mini map here, just for example. Okay, so we got it right there, just like that. And we can change the font color, we can change the font size, and we can change the background color. But I'm going to leave it just like it is for now. And we have our start time and our end time. When do you want it to start? Okay, I want it to start at the very beginning of the video, and I want it to last the entire video. So my video is 33 seconds. So I'll highlight the seconds here, and I'll put 34, and it'll fix it for me. And that part is done. Now we need to select link, and from here, we can link to another video, we can link to a playlist, we can link to our channel, our Google Plus page. It can be a subscribe button like I mentioned, a fundraising product, or another link. So I'm going to click on a link here. And I should mention that the only way that you can link to an external website is if you are selling merchandise, and it has to be your own merchandise that you own and license. You can't just link to a random affiliate web page or some random website where you post articles or something like that. You have to be selling merchandise on that website. That's the only catch if you're going to link outside of YouTube. And you would simply just paste that link here. And once you have that in there, you just click on publish, and you can always come back and edit these annotations at any time. So let's say I want to change this to a subscribe button instead. Have it just like that. Let me shrink it down a little bit. And maybe I'll put it right up here in the corner. Okay. I have it starting at the very beginning all the way to 33 seconds. Let's put a link here. Let's do a subscribe. And you got to enter the YouTube username. That's my username. Let's preview that link. Okay, that works great. And let's publish this. Now let's go back and view my video. And as you can see, we have our subscribe option over here. And once they click on that, the user will be subscribed to my channel. That's pretty neat, right? So you can just imagine the all kinds of different annotations that you can have here. Now let's go back to our channel, and let me show you something really cool that you need to turn on in your settings here to get a lot more viewers on your videos. Now when you're on your channel page and you mouse over here just under your channel art, you should see a little pencil. We're going to click on that, and we're going to go to channel settings. Now on the left hand side, we should see in video programming. So let's click on that. And you have two options here, okay? You have a add a watermark option and a feature a video option. So let's click on the feature video option, and you can choose to feature a certain video or just feature your most recent upload. So I'm going to go with my most recent upload, so that way it'll automatically update to my most recent upload. Click on save. The display time, we're going to keep it at the end of the video, and the duration for 10 seconds. Now let's update this. And what this is going to do on every single one of my videos, as someone is watching it, when it gets to the end of the video, the last 10 seconds of my video, a little ad is going to pop up at the bottom of my current video that they are watching, and it's going to let them know about my new video. Okay? Pretty awesome. So I got that saved. So let's go back and see exactly what this looks like. Let's go to my video manager. Let's click on just one of my videos here. And let's skip to the last 10 seconds here. Let's see if it pops up in the bottom left-hand corner. All right, there we go. Pretty cool, right? It popped up a little animation, and it's my newest video. So when they click on that, it's going to take them to my new video. Okay, that is a really cool feature that YouTube has, and it's a great way to get people to watch multiple videos of yours and get them to subscribe.